Hi Crystal, it's Ashley, and I am going to give you some feedback on your piece. I thought you did a really awesome job, and I'm so excited that we are nearing the end of this course, and I can honestly say that I've taken away so much from the class, and I'm glad that, I know this is going to be surprising, but I'm actually glad that we have done this video screencast thing with our discussion boards, because I feel like I've gotten to know you and Jessica so much better than I typically would have just in a regular discussion board setting. I appreciate all the feedback that you've given me and all the help that you've given me, and our text messages and phone calls have helped me so much. So here we go. I thought you did so great in tying everything together and kind of coming to a close. I only highlighted one paragraph, and it was really only because when I read it, I was just like, yes, I resonated with this so much and agreed with it so much. I love that you pulled from the writings that we've talked about, the discussions that we've had, and just everything in your piece just flowed really well. Everything was really detailed, and you just did a really good job. If I was a reader that hadn't experienced this course with you, I would have gained insight to what we did, what we learned, and just what we need to do as teachers. So, down here at the bottom, I highlighted this paragraph. Every aspect of this class has been a learning experience, and writing this essay has been no different. I've reflected back on everything we've read and deciphered what stuck out to me most and why. I've reread what I've written and critically evaluated my work. I've looked back on posts. Might need an S right there. Yeah. Back on posts I've written and feedback that I've received from my peers, and I think over the duration of only a few weeks, we've all become better writers. That's so true. I feel like I've come such a long way in this course, and your writing was really good from the beginning, so I don't think you had anything to worry about. You've done awesome this whole time. Your papers are like what I aspire for my papers to be like. This process of writing as a tool for thinking and learning has worked. I didn't even realize I was learning in the beginning, not necessarily, but as I write this reflection, I realized that this approach has taught me every step of the way. I'm thankful the authors were passionate enough to share their ideas and hope I can mimic their work and ideas in my class. It's so true. Like, this whole entire time, I even said the other day, like, wow, this class is almost over, because I enjoy giving feedback and getting feedback on my pieces, and it's helped me so much, because it's not just like we turn in a paper, and then we get a grade, and we're left wondering, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? So this has really been a good experience for me too. I hope you receive a good grade on this, because you deserve it. It's awesome, and you're awesome, and I hope you're having a great weekend. See you soon.